Welcome back. So today we are going to solve binary search problem. So we are given an array of integers nums which is sorted in ascending order and an integer target. We have to write a function to search if target element is present in nums or not. If the target element is found, then we will return the index of the target element, else we would be returning -1 as our answer. And we must write an algorithm with O log n runtime complexity. So here is our array. Let's assign a low pointer and a high pointer. So what would be we would be doing is to get every time we would run a while loop, and this loop will run until the low pointer is less than equal to the high pointer, and in the meantime we would be finding the mid index. Suppose we found 3 as the mid index, so we will check if the mid element is equal to the target. So 3 is not equal to target, so it doesn't also make sense to check in the left half, so we would be discarding the elements in the left half, and we would move our low pointer to mid +1, which is at this index. We would be again checking, we would be again finding the index. So here 9 is at the mid, and the current element is also 9, and we will check if 9 is equal to 9. Yeah, it's equal, and we would be returning uh, 4 as the index. Let's say 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yeah, indeed 4 is our answer, so we would be returning 4 as the uh, answer. Now let's take another example where the target element is 2. So let's try to find it out. Again, we would be assigning the low and high pointers and getting the mid index. So 3 is not equal to 2. Yeah, so we would be discarding the left elements and the current mid element and moving the low pointer to mid +1. Now again we will be finding the mid. So is 9 equal to 2? No, 9 is also not equal to 2, so we would be discarding. Now the discarding choice becomes like if the mid element is smaller than or equal to, or is greater than the target. So it's definitely 9 is greater than target, so we would be moving the high pointer towards the left. So we would be discarding this and high and the mid element, and we would be moving it to mid -1. Now we would be checking if 5 is equal to 2. So 5 is also not equal to 2. Now since the high and the low are coinciding with each other and we have no other elements to check, so we would be returning -1 as the answer, since target 2 was not found in the nums array. So yeah, let's code it up our solution. So let's assign low and high pointers. Also let's keep track of the answer, assigning it with -1 initially, and we'll run a while loop until the low pointer is less than equal to the high pointer. We will find the mid element. So the formula to find the mid element is the low index plus high index divided by 2. Let's also keep track of the mid element. So let's call the let's call the current element. Now we'll check if the current element is equal to the target elements. So if it does if it's equal, then we would be returning mid as the index, which is our answer. Now, what if the current element was not equal and it was less than the target? So if it was less than, uh, we would have to discard the left half, so we would be moving the loop pointer to mid plus 1, else we would be moving the high pointer towards the left, which is mid minus 1. If the target element wasn't found in the nums array, we would be returning minus 1 in that case. So let's check. Yeah, our solution is accepted, so let's submit it. Yeah, and also you can see it's pretty efficient as well. So yeah, this was it. uh, Thanks. If you like the video, please like, and that's it for today. We will be coming up with a next question.